Hi there, my name's Rachel. I'm a format expert and a visual artist. This video is going to show you quickly how to adjust your social media icons. To get started, you'll head over to the design editor in the left-hand toolbar. Next, you'll go to the social sharing button here. At the top of this area, you'll see an area to adjust the way that your social media icons look within your theme. This will change depending on what theme you're in. Below, you can adjust to have a share button on or off. I suggest leaving this on, it's a good idea. And underneath, you'll have the ability to adjust up to 5 social media icons. Each one of these icons has a social network dropdown, so you can choose what social network you're hoping to link to and what icon you want to show. If you want to turn any of these off, you'll simply select the None option from the dropdown, and this will remove it. As you can see here, the Twitter icon has now removed from our preview area. If you want to add a social media icon, you'll go to the dropdown, select the one that you like, and the next step is to add your personal URL of your social media account at that service. So here you can see we have our twitter.com/useformat address. To find your Twitter account, for example, you would simply go to twitter.com and then search Twitter for your account. Then you would go up to your browser bar and copy the browser bar information, your URL, and paste it in this field below. That will ensure that when we click on this icon, it will then navigate us to your personal page. To order these, you'll simply need to put them in the right icon positions based on what number they fall under. Once you're ready and you've got everything in the position you want, simply press Save Changes from the top right corner to apply the changes. If you want help with this or anything else, just reach out to our chat in the bottom right-hand corner. You can start a new conversation to talk to a format expert, or you can reach out to us by email at info@format.com.